Today we're testing Glastron's GS269. It's an affordable family cruiser that fits nicely in between its 24 and 28 foot models. It's also the first Glastron designed specifically for the European market. The GS269 incorporates the pleasing aspects of Euro designs with traditional American sport cruiser looks. The result is a boat that seems beamier than it is, sports a high integral swim platform, some snappy standard amenities, and a lot of below-deck room in a trailable and surprisingly well-priced package. Starting after is a wide and higher than usual integrated swim platform. It features a 4-step telescoping ladder, platform shower, 2 large wet storage lockers, plus transom storage big enough for both fenders and shore power cords. The transom door leads to the aft cockpit, where you'll find a plush C-shaped lounge. An entertainment center includes a wet bar and refrigerator, and there's a table mount on the engine cover. In the walkthrough is a box that contains a battery switch. There's adequate space in the engine room for servicing and storage. Major engine projects require the rest of the deck be removed, and it is fastened with stainless screws for that purpose. The twin helm seat with flip-up bolster is standard. Full instrumentation includes depth and hour gauges. The steering wheel tilts, but there's little room for additional electronics other than atop the dash. You will notice that the deck is not leveled due to the mid-cabin situated below. Just mind your step when moving from the helm back to the cockpit. The integral steps forward fall naturally underfoot and open to a fairly smooth deck that features a well-made stainless steel bow rail. Glastron is offering a 50th anniversary package for 2006 that includes an excellent anchoring setup composed of remote electric windlass and roller that can be operated from the deck or cockpit. Now that we've had a look around the cockpit, let's take a look below decks at this really big cabin. Heading below deck, you will first encounter the electrical panel, which handles the boat's DC and AC requirements, as well as the shoreside power for the optional air conditioner. The Clarion AM/FM CD Sirius satellite radio receiver is also located here. Like any elegant kitchen, the galley has a view, a porthole located just below the standard microwave. The galley features an alcohol, electric stove, and an AC/DC refrigerator, composite counter and sink, and spray faucet. A classic-looking forward bulkhead wall features a flat-screen TV, reading lights, and stereo speakers. Ambient light and airflow is aided by the large-screen Bomar hatch. For overnights, the lounge turns into a roomy V-berth with the addition of 2 center filler cushions with plenty of storage beneath. The stand-up head shower features a mirror, opening porthole, composite sink with faucet, shower wand, and a porcelain head. The mid-cabin second berth is located beneath the helm and is a cozy spot children will love. There's also additional storage here. The GS269 measures 26 feet 11 inches length overall and has an 8 foot 6 inch beam. It weighs 5,850 pounds with the engine and draws 40 inches with the drive down and 19 with it up. Fuel capacity is 72 gallons. We tested the GS269 on Long Lake near Brainerd, Minnesota. On-plane time was 4.9 seconds, while 0 to 30 took 8.7 seconds. Powered by a 280 horsepower Volvo, our test boat hit a top speed of 42.6 miles per hour, turning 4,800 RPM, while average cruise was at 3,500 RPM, traveling 26.7 miles an hour. The boat handled quite smoothly and was predictable in turns. Overall decibel readings were reasonably quiet. What Glastron has come up with the GS269 is an affordable family cruiser that's trailerable, yet provides enough room for a quick weekend getaway.